Hello, so today I'm going to show you how I made a curtain for this window in my master bathroom because I had that blanket tacked up there for far too long. So I had this extra piece of fabric that was just laying around from an old project that I worked on, and I thought it would just be the perfect size for this window. So I first folded it in half, and then I just folded in all the edges a little bit and sewed them just so it would have a nicer clean line on them. And then at the top I did leave like a thicker gap so that way I would be able to fit the curtain rod into it. So then here I am hanging it up, and unfortunately, once I hung it up, I realized that it was actually too short for the window. It fit perfectly widthwise, but it was not long enough, and I really didn't like that. So then I went back to my toe and was looking to see what other fabric I had, and surprisingly, I had this pillowcase that just happened to match perfectly with the light green color on the fabric. So I cut that in half, and then I attached it to the bottom, and I attached it with these like folded pleats on there. And then I just ironed them out after I had sewed it all together just to help lay those pleats down better. And then once I had it all done and sewed, I put it back up, and during the process of installing it, I did actually fall into the bathtub. Thankfully, I caught myself. But yeah, it fits much better now that I added that pillowcase onto there, and this was all supplies that I had just already had on hand. So yeah, let me know what you think. I do plan on sharing a lot more like crafting and house projects. So let me know how you think it turned out and hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.